If you've ever felt lost trying to find a tool inside ElevenLabs, this video is going to make things much easier. Today I'm going to show you how to search for any feature in ElevenLabs in just a few simple steps, so you can get to the exact tool you need faster and save time while working on your projects. If this tutorial helps you, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, inside ElevenLabs, go to the Home section from the left sidebar. This is where you'll find the main starting point for accessing different features and tools. Once you're on the home page, look for the search bar near the top of the interface. This search bar is designed to help you quickly locate specific features without having to click through multiple menus. Now, click inside the search bar and start typing the name of the feature you're looking for. You can search for tools, functions, settings, or anything else available inside ElevenLabs. As you type, ElevenLabs will show matching results, making it much easier to find the exact feature you need. This is especially helpful if you're new to the platform or if you use a lot of different tools and don't want to waste time hunting around. Once you see the feature you want, simply click it to open and access it right away. That's really all there is to it. Using the search bar inside ElevenLabs is one of the fastest ways to navigate the platform and get straight to what you need. It keeps your workflow simple, organized, and efficient, whether you're creating voice content, exploring tools, or managing your account. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.